Hello people, I'm here to record a video, this time coming straight from my shed. Now, I found this old drill, or Dremel, whatever this thing actually is, in a little ammo container. It's the Ingersoll Rand, fucking whatever that is. Grounding, not record. Who the fuck cares? But basically, it was all apart in a box here. That's not the point. Basically, I think I can restore this and get it to working condition. I have an idea of how the mechanism works, and I've got it all essentially put together here, at least what I have. This part here, which looks like it would go into this part of the electromagnet, which fits conveniently right onto it, and that also has this casing here, which conveniently fits right onto it as well. I might actually do it this way, because I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, but I do have some idea, and that's why I'm doing this. So this piece seems to go right onto here, and then from there it appears to go right through this guy. If I could get this on right. This little guy is unfortunately in my way, and so are you. If I can move them out of the way, that would be great. But these guys go into here, or yeah, into here, right on there. And now this all goes together as well. This little fly trap guy goes into here. Shit, never mind. Hold on. Goes into here, and it all connects. This is supposed to spin this, and then this goes right into here. And so that all does it. So it looks like there might be something that needs to go right here in between, but I'll find that out later. As for now, sticking with what we have, this then appears to go right over all of this. So if I could just get the wires out of the way and into here, that would be great. Essentially, that connects like this. Has a little back piece that goes on it like this, or like this. It's interesting. I'm going to figure out the rest of this and how it works so that I can put it all together and have it actually function, unlike what you see now, which is completely unfunctional. That'll be all. See ya.